In this video, we're going to understand how filters work in TinyTables, along with sorting and grouping basics. Let's start with a simple use case. Imagine you want to filter records based on specific conditions. For example, let's say you want to find all users whose names contain AA pattern. To do that, go to the filter option at the top and click on it. Here, you'll see two options like Add Condition and Add Condition Group. Let's start by adding a condition. You'll see a list of all the columns in your table like name, last name, age, and so on. You also get different operators such as contains, does not contain, equals, not equals, is empty, and is not empty. For this example, I'll select the name field and apply the condition contains AA. Then I'll apply the filter. Now, you can see that only those records are visible where the name contains that pattern. Next, let's add another condition. Let's say we want users whose age is greater than 40. Again, go back to the filter, add another condition. Now here, you'll also notice that you can choose between AND and OR conditions. This allows you to combine multiple filters depending on your use case. This time we'll select the age field and you'll see operators like equal to, not equal to, greater than, less than, or equal to, greater than, or equal to, is empty, is not empty. I'll choose greater than 40. Once applied, the table will now show only those records that match both conditions. Now, if you want to go back to your original dataset, simply open the filter again and remove the conditions you've added. You can delete individual conditions or clear all of them. Once you apply the filters, your table will return to its original state. So this is how you can use filters in TinyTables to quickly narrow down your data and focus only on what matters. And honestly, all it takes is a tiny command.